Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. There are few plants that capture attention the way Anthurium andraeanum does. With its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, waxy blooms that resemble polished porcelain, this tropical gem instantly transforms any American living space into a scene of elegance and vitality. Whether you live in the warmth of Florida, the coastal calm of California, or the bright apartments of New York City, this species, often called the flamingo flower or painter's palette, is a perfect indoor companion that blends natural artistry with easy care. Growing Anthurium andraeanum might look sophisticated, but in truth, it's one of the most forgiving tropical plants you can nurture. When you understand its rhythm, imagine walking into your living room each morning to find your flamingo flower shining. Under filtered sunlight, its vivid red, pink, or white spathes standing proudly as symbols of beauty and confidence. That's the joy of cultivating this plant. It rewards care with color and character all year long. To begin your journey, the first step is understanding its natural environment. Originating from the rainforests of Colombia and Ecuador, Anthurium andraeanum thrives under conditions that mirror its native habitat: warm temperatures, filtered light, and moderate humidity. Think of its roots as being happiest in soft, airy soil that drains well but stays slightly moist, much like the forest floor where rainwater seeps slowly through layers of leaves. When you bring Anthurium andraeanum into your home, placement matters. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Instead, choose bright, indirect light near an east or north-facing window. You'll notice the plant's colors deepen when it receives the right balance of brightness. Too little light, and the leaves may turn dull. Too much, and the edges can brown. It's a visual dialogue. The plant will always show you what it needs if you pay attention. Watering is another rhythm to master. Overwatering is a common beginner mistake. Remember, the flamingo flower loves moisture, but not soggy soil. Let the top inch of soil dry slightly between waterings. If the roots sit in standing water, they suffocate, leading to root rot. Use room temperature, filtered water if possible. The plant dislikes the chill of tap water straight from the faucet. During winter, when growth slows, reduce watering frequency, allowing the plant a rest period before its next bloom cycle. Humidity is key to unlocking lush growth. If you live in a dry area common in many U.S. regions, consider using a humidifier or placing a shallow pebble tray with water beneath the pot. Light misting also helps, especially during heating season when indoor air tends to be arid. The leaves will thank you by remaining supple and glossy instead of curling or crisping at the edges. Feeding your Anthurium andraeanum ensures that it sustains its vivid bloom displays. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, for example, 20-20-20, however, applied every 68 weeks during spring and summer keeps the plant thriving. Always dilute fertilizer to half strength to avoid salt build-up in autumn and winter. Let the plant rest. Feeding too often in its dormant phase can stress the roots. Repotting every 2 years or when roots start circling the pot helps maintain health and vigor. Choose a container with drainage holes and a loose, airy mix, something similar to orchid or aroid soil. You can blend peat, perlite, and pine bark for optimal airflow. When transferring, handle the roots gently. They are sensitive but resilient when cared for correctly. Pruning is minimal yet vital. Remove yellow or old leaves at the base with sterilized scissors to promote new growth and prevent disease. Occasionally wiping the leaves with a soft, damp cloth not only enhances their shine but also clears dust that blocks photosynthesis. Treat this as a mindful ritual, a way to reconnect with your plant's quiet energy. One fascinating aspect of Anthurium andraeanum is its long-lasting bloom life. Each spathe can remain beautiful for weeks or even months, making it a favorite for interior designers and home gardeners alike. In the right conditions, it can bloom multiple times a year. If you notice fewer flowers, it often means the plant wants more light or slightly warmer temperatures. Temperature balance is essential. Keep the environment between 65's 80° Fs and 87 degrees C. Sudden drops below 55° F can cause shock. If you keep your plant near windows, move it inward on cold nights to protect it from drafts. Conversely, don't place it too close to heaters, as hot, dry air can dehydrate its foliage. Pests rarely trouble Anthurium andraeanum, but spider mites, mealybugs, and aphids sometimes appear in very dry or dusty environments. The simplest solution is natural. Wipe affected areas with a damp cloth dipped in diluted neem oil or insecticidal soap. Good air circulation helps prevent infestations, so avoid overly crowded plant arrangements. When it comes to propagation, Anthurium andraeanum offers an exciting reward. The easiest way is through division when repotting. Separate small clumps with healthy roots and leaves and pot them in their own containers. This method guarantees that your new plant inherits the same characteristics as the parent. In time, you'll find yourself gifting these heart-shaped beauties to friends, spreading their joy and symbolism of hospitality and love. For decorators, Anthurium andraeanum is a masterpiece of contrast. Pair it with lush green ferns, calatheas, or peace lilies to create a tropical ensemble that feels alive yet tranquil. The glossy red spathes complement neutral interiors, instantly brightening minimalist or modern spaces. Place them in ceramic or glass planters to reflect their natural shine. If your goal is to achieve continuous bloom cycles, consistency is your secret. You avoid frequent relocation. Plants need stability to adapt and flourish. When you maintain uniform light, humidity, and feeding schedules, Anthurium andraeanum rewards you with renewed energy and vivid color bursts every few months. Emotionally, this plant does more than decorate, it uplifts. Studies have shown that bright indoor greenery can enhance mood, creativity, and calmness. With its symbolic heart-shaped structure, the flamingo flower radiates positivity and care, making it a thoughtful gift for homes, offices, and wellness studios across the U.S. Whether you're a beginner exploring your first indoor plant or an experienced grower refining your collection, nurturing Anthurium andraeanum reconnects you with a rhythm of patience and natural harmony. It's not just a plant, it's a living statement of elegance and vitality that thrives when given balanced care. As weeks turn to months, and your flamingo flower matures, you'll notice subtle signs of gratitude, a new bud forming, a richer hue on a mature spathe, or the steady unfurling of glossy green leaves. These are the plant's quiet ways of saying thank you for creating the right environment. In return, it fills your space with energy and serenity, a living symbol of tropical warmth within your American home. Now that you've mastered the steps: light, water, humidity, feeding, and gentle attention, it's your time to let nature's artistry bloom right beside you. Join our Nature Nurture Hub family. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help your plants thrive.